Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this very short tutorial, I want to show you how you can visually inspect your dataset inside LightlyStudio. So, let's say you have an enormous dataset, a bunch of images, and for example, it can be an unlabeled dataset, so you don't have any understanding yet, you don't have any labels, annotations, basically just a lot of images and no data understanding. Inside LightlyStudio, that's very simple to correct because you can use the capability of plotting the dataset inside the 2D vector embedding space, and with that you can explore your data and gain some further understanding of your dataset. So, for example, let's say I have this dataset here, a large dataset of different images, and what I can do, I can click here on this right here, like show embeddings, and what it does, it portrays me my entire data set inside the 2D embedding space. So now what we can do, for example, is a very cool thing is, as you can see, we have like this, each individual like blue dot is like a representative of one image inside our data set. But we can see that they're somehow maybe clustering a bit together, right? So there are some parts, clusters that are like, separate from the other images. So let's say we see this cluster here. Now what I can do, I can perform box or lasso selection. So for example, I can choose whichever I want. Let's say I will just use this rectangle mode and I will just mark that. And what this will do, it will filter me on this specific cluster here. And if we now zoom in a bit, so let's just take a closer look. So it seems it's like it's like baseball, so sport. And yeah, I can like immediately now know a bit more about my data set. If I want to like reset this selection, I can just like easily click here, reset selection. And again, I have like the entire data set here on the left. Let's say like we want to take a further look. First of all, I can just like reset view to get to the the original view of the entire data set. And let's say, okay, there's a cluster here. Let's take a look at this cluster. And just for the sake of completeness, this time let's take the lasso selection. And again, I will just select this part here. And yeah, let's take a look. Okay. So now, as you can see, this is another cluster inside my data set. And if we take a closer look, these are zebras. So basically, again, gaining some more understanding of my data. So yeah, as you saw, using the 2D embedding plot inside LightlyStudio can be very helpful. And yeah, I hope you like this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.